Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. And this lecture we will learn input unit, output unit and storage unit. As we know that computer is an electronic device which accept data, process the data according to the given instruction and gives result. So it means that the first operation is input operation. Input unit. What is input unit? Data and instruction must enter a computer system before the computer can perform any operations on the supplied data. To accept data or to enter data into computer system, the input unit is used. Input unit is the basic components of every computer system because it is used to enter data and instructions. For this purpose, these input devices are used to enter data into computer system: keyboard, mouse, joystick, Lightpen, and other input devices. Functions of input unit. It accepts instructions and data from outside world. It converts these instructions and data in computer acceptable form. The third function is it supplies the converted instructions and data to the storage unit for storing and further processing. Computer can only understand machine language. It means that input unit has the function to convert these instructions into computer acceptable form. Output unit. An output unit performs the reverse operation of data of an input unit. It supplies the information obtained from data processing to outside world. Hence, it links a computer with its external environment. As computer works with binary code 0-1 form, results produced are also in binary form or in soft form. The output devices are speaker, monitor, printer, plotters. These are output devices. Function of output unit. It accepts the produced result which are in coded form. We cannot understand the coded result easily. 0-1 form we cannot understand. It converts these coded result to human acceptable form. Supplies the converted result to outside world through monitor, printer or other output devices. Storage unit. As central processing unit needs some memory to store data for processing. That's why computer also use storage unit. It means that there must be some storage unit which store the data and instruction during processing, before processing and after processing. So storage unit is responsible to store the data before processing and also during processing and also the result of processing. So storage unit has this responsibility. Functions of storage unit. The data and instruction required for processing received from input units, intermediate result of processing and final result of processing before the system releases them to the output unit. Storage unit of all the computer has two types: primary storage unit and secondary storage unit. Primary storage unit contains two types, RAM and ROM. RAM contains all the data instruction before processing, during processing and after processing, and ROM contains the permanent instructions that cannot be deleted, that cannot be changed. Secondary storage devices gives the permanent storage. like CD, hard disk, USB, card reader, memory card.